Imagine a world where drones no longer follow the rules of physics, skill, or danger. Imagine a drone that is not just another machine, not just another FPV toy, but a device so powerful, so precise, that it redefines what flying means. That drone is rumored to exist, though no one outside a small circle has seen it in reality. They call it the DJI Avata 360, yet months have passed, and DJI has not confirmed its release. There is no announcement, no launch date, not even a hint, beyond subtle leaks, whispers, and patents filed quietly behind closed doors. The question everyone asks is simple. Why? Why would DJI hold back a product that seems to promise so much innovation, so much power, and so much potential to dominate the FPV and drone filming world? The first reason lies in timing. DJI does not rush products, they wait. They wait for the moment when the market is ready, when the technology is perfected, and when competitors have peaked, and the world is primed to be stunned. Releasing too early would dilute the impact, and DJI has never been a company to dilute impact. They aim for perfection, and their timeline is not dictated by calendar dates or hype cycles, but by readiness and market readiness, all aligned perfectly. The second reason is technical mastery. A 360 camera drone is not just about mounting a camera on a flying body. It is a complex system of lenses, sensors, gyroscopes, processors, and AI algorithms. Every frame captured in 360 degrees produces enormous amounts of data. That data needs to be processed instantly, stabilized, stitched, and corrected in real time, all while the drone is moving at high speeds. Heat management, battery life, and computing power are critical, and any compromise here can destroy the cinematic promise DJI intends. They are waiting until every last piece of this puzzle functions flawlessly, because one flaw can ruin the user experience and damage the reputation of the entire product line. The third reason is market dominance and competitive strategy. DJI does not release products merely to compete. They release them to redefine categories. The Avata 360 is rumored to not only compete with FPV drones, but to surpass them entirely in versatility, control, and creative potential. Once released, the standards for FPV drones, cinematic drones, and even 360-degree filming drones will be forever altered. DJI is not just building a drone. They are orchestrating a shift that challenges the core of how drone pilots, filmmakers, and creators approach aerial storytelling. The fourth reason is creator psychology. FPV pilots thrive on skill, challenge, and mastery. They chase perfection, and their community is built on pushing the limits of what is physically possible. But the Avata 360 promises to take away some of that chaos, not because it reduces skill, but because it reduces limitations. Beginners and professionals alike will be able to create cinematic, flawless footage in ways that previously required years of practice. DJI knows that releasing a product that changes the dynamics of creative power must be done at the perfect moment, to ensure the impact is felt worldwide and not diluted by premature exposure. And then there is the element of surprise. DJI has always understood the power of expectation and revelation. A product kept hidden builds anticipation, rumor, and desire. When the Avata 360 finally emerges, it will not just be another drone. Unveiled it will be a moment, a global event, A reset in the minds of creators everywhere? This is a calculated silence, designed not to frustrate, but to prepare the world for what is coming. From every leaked patent, from every subtle hint, and from every careful observation of DJI's research and development, one truth emerges. The Avata 360 is not just a drone. It is a statement. It is the embodiment of technology, vision, and strategy coming together. The delay, the secrecy, and the whispers all point toward a single fact. DJI intends to make a splash that the FPV world, the filmmaking world, and the content creation world will not forget. The moment we step into the second half of this story, it is impossible not to compare what exists with what is coming. FPV drones, the adrenaline beasts of the sky, have ruled the hearts of pilots for years. They are raw, unfiltered, and unforgiving. Every flight demands absolute skill. Every maneuver tests reflexes, and every mistake can destroy both machine and dream. Flying an FPV drone is like taming a wild creature. It gives freedom, chaos, and thrill, but it comes at the cost of precision and safety. Now, imagine taking that same experience, the rush, the speed, the unpredictability, and pairing it with intelligence. A machine that can sense, stabilize, correct, and perfect. A drone that can survive crashes, that can capture cinematic shots in angles previously impossible, and that can allow beginners to achieve results that even seasoned FPV pilots would envy. That is the Avata 360. The first thing you notice when you look at these two worlds side by side is their philosophy. FPV drones are about skill. Your hands, your reflexes, your instincts define your success. Every second of flight is a test of mastery. Avata 360, on the other hand, is about vision. It does not challenge the pilot in the same way. Instead, it challenges the imagination. Where FPV asks, "Can you survive this flight?" Avata asks, "What story do you want to tell?" Speed, in the FPV world, is raw and thrilling. A single wrong turn, a gust of wind, or a lapse in focus can end the flight. The footage is chaotic, unpredictable, and raw. Sometimes breathtaking, sometimes unusable. Avata 360 changes this equation completely. It can move fast, but the AI stabilization ensures that each frame is usable, cinematic, and perfectly composed. Where FPV is a test of survival, Avata is a tool of creation. Look at maneuverability. FPV drones can twist, roll, flip, and dodge like a predator. They are exhilarating to watch, exhilarating to fly, but they demand constant attention. Avata 360 is smoother, smarter. Its algorithms correct depth, maintain horizon alignment, and even anticipate the pilot's intentions. It gives the pilot freedom to focus on framing, story, and timing, rather than constantly battling gravity and momentum. Next comes risk. Every FPV flight carries the fear of crash, the anxiety of failure. One small miscalculation, and the drone is gone. Parts are damaged, time is lost, and the footage is ruined. Avata 360 introduces a new paradigm: resilience. Its design allows it to recover from minor collisions, and its 360 camera ensures that even unexpected orientations do not ruin the cinematic capture. Suddenly, the barrier between human error and perfect footage almost disappears. Then we have the creative potential. FPV is about the thrill of flying. Its artistry comes from mastering control, pushing limits, and improvising shots. Avata 360 is about mastering perspective. You no longer have to chase angles. You don't have to worry if your camera missed the perfect framing during a high-speed pass. Avata captures the scene entirely, allowing you to decide later how to tell your story. You are no longer bound by the flight itself. You are liberated by the technology. Consider the implications. FPV communities pride themselves on exclusivity and skill. The elite pilots spend years honing techniques, mastering acrobatics, and perfecting timing. Avata 360 does not replace skill entirely, but it levels the playing field dramatically. Beginners can produce footage that looks like a professional spent years mastering the craft. This is not a minor advantage. It is a revolution. Sound, movement, emotion, everything captured through FPV carries the pulse of the pilot. But the Avata captures this pulse while enhancing it, perfecting it, and expanding it. The footage is cinematic, polished, and ready for storytelling, without losing the thrill entirely. It is the ultimate blend of human creativity and machine intelligence. Even in terms of adaptability, FPV is limited. Wind, light, and environment affect the results drastically. Avata 360 compensates for these variables with intelligent stabilization, adaptive exposure, and real-time correction. It learns the environment as you fly, predicting challenges and adjusting automatically. What once required a combination of skill, luck, and experience now becomes a reliable tool for consistent excellence. So the comparison is not about which is faster, stronger, or cheaper. It is about approach. FPV drones are adrenaline, chaos, and mastery. Avata 360 is control, intelligence, and storytelling. FPV tests the pilot. Avata tests the imagination. FPV captures the moment as it happens. Avata captures the moment and enhances it. And that is why the world is watching. Because once DJI releases the Avata 360, everything changes. FPV drones will not disappear, but the standard of excellence will rise overnight. Pilots, filmmakers, creators, everyone will have to reconsider what is possible in aerial storytelling. The rules of the sky, until now dictated by human reflexes and skill, will now be guided by human creativity, amplified by intelligent design. The Avata 360 is not just a drone, it is a revolution waiting silently behind a veil of secrecy. The FPV world represents chaos, skill, and adrenaline. The Avata 360 represents precision, intelligence, and cinematic freedom. The future is approaching, and when it finally arrives, it will not ask if you are ready, it will show you. Because the real power of Avata 360 is not in speed. It is not in camera resolution. It is not in artificial intelligence alone. Its power lies in its ability to let the human mind fly beyond the limits of reflex and skill, to create without boundaries, and to transform the sky into a canvas where imagination is the only rule. And that is the moment DJI has been preparing for. That is the reason for the delay. That is the silent storm behind the secrecy. The Avata 360 is not a product, it is a paradigm shift, and soon the world will see it.